Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your HTC and get application to transfer data. And I can recommend you this application, so let's install it. And of course on the second smartphone you have to do the same. I got this application here, so I'm waiting for HTC. And when you get it on the both smartphones, you can open it, accept all of the permission, all of the notifications that pop up on your screen. You have to allow all of the things. Click sender on the Huawei. Okay, there's some kind of bug, so we have to open it one more time. Click sender and resave on our HTC. Now just wait until we got here the Android icon. Click on this icon and we can connect in two ways. We can scan this code and we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request. And right now we have to select wait. If you want to send all of the data, you have to select all of these icons, right? And then you will get the notification here. There's the size of all of files that we selected and also the estimated times of the transfer. But if you want to get some details and you don't want to send all of the data, you have to click here. And I'm going to show you how it looks on the music. So I'm going to pick up these two songs and I will unselect other stuff. Click start, OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So we can just go here on the files and check where it is. And as you can see, when we enter the files and enter the downloads, we will find the two songs that we sent. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.